Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can share your location on WhatsApp so your friends and family can find you easily. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, then select the chat to whom you want to share your location. Now we will click on attachment button. So here you can find location option. We will open it. Now we will click on continue button. We will click on only this time. So here you can see two options. First one is share live location and second one is send your current location. So we will click on second option, send your current location. So we will click it and you can see within second I shared my location with my contact. So in this way you can share your current location easily. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.